This room tells you exactly where my head's been at, and I thought I was coping the right way. But I realized everything in my life was starting to get worse. My finances, my life decisions, and my constant pursuit for a relationship. So, what do I focus on? Why is coping so difficult? No, it's not, bro. You're tripping. Well, then why are there bums on the street that can't get out of a rut? They're bums. Are you saying I'm a bum? Maybe you're just not trying. When coping, we're focusing on escaping. But I don't think this is totally wrong. Hobbies separate you from the grind set. When doing school, work, or something productive, it's tiring. We want to escape. For example, there's a Becca, works 40 hours, goes to a bar on Saturday night and hooks up with a random. Then there's Josh, works 40 hours, goes to the skate park, plays his drums, makes a YouTube video. They're both tired at the end of the week and both coped in different ways. Am I perfect at this? Absolutely not. I'm currently at a crossroads right now between, do I just doom scroll and wait till I have to work at 1, or edit this video and skate? Coping is just about picking a different path instead of the one that almost feels easiest. Goal is just to break that cycle. If you want to keep hurting yourself, by all means. That's kind of just the decision you have to make for yourself. And so that's what I'm doing right now, is going to skate instead of just doom scrolling. Oh, all right. Let's get that pop over. See, the board wants to do the trick, but not me. No! Did y'all see that? We need a new angle. I definitely want to give up right now. But I'm not going to. Let's do it. Look at that baby chip that happened right now. Half landed it. Guys, freaking did it. Did that look sick or what? It's all about redirection. Yeah, that's all fine and dandy, but what happens when you don't want to do anything? If you're coping, that means you're escaping from something, right? So the last 3 months, been going through a lot. I got out of a relationship, actually got broke up with. Thought that like my life was on a pretty good path. After the relationship, I found myself needing to cope. Felt like my life going like super downhill. Going out to a lot of clubs and bars, and you may think like, oh, why is that so bad? You're supposed to have fun or get your mind off of stuff, but I think it's actually the opposite. I don't know if y'all can see, but I am red. I'm about to take a shower and wish me luck, y'all. Of course, my mic just connects randomly. The shower is gonna be intense, like camping, bruh. Halfway through, it's a little rough right now, I'm not gonna lie, but I got this new shampoo. Freaking smells bomb. Something to be thankful for. Went to the beach with this guy yesterday. That's why I'm all red. Bro, I'm cooked. Being grateful for what you have is gonna make you want to actually achieve your goals. And it sounds weird, but being reflective and thinking about it. And so even though I'm sunburned, even though I got out of a relationship that I was pretty happy with, I am doing this and making videos and having fun. So that's some encouragement for you guys. I'll see you guys on the flip.